Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. The lips in front of you make the perfect little motif. Let's make it. You will require a hook, yarn and a darning needle, or a smaller size crochet hook to work in the actual ends. And that's about it. So I'm using this pink. You'll start with the slip knot, followed by a chain of 14. So chain 14, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If I'm going too fast or too slow, you can go into your settings and adjust adjust it so that it's either plays slowly or faster. Once you have your 14 stitches, you will start by working one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You'll make 1/2 a double crochet in the next chain. That's your first 2 stitches made. 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you will make 2 trebles. 2 trebles in 1 stitch, please. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, 1/2 a double crochet. And in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. So you've made one part of the top of your lip. For the second part, you'll make 1/2 a double crochet, followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, 2 trebles, so 2 trebles in that 1 chain stitch. In the next stitch, 1/2 a double 1 double crochet, followed by 1/2 a double crochet in the next stitch, and for your very last chain stitch, 1 single crochet. So you've made the top of your lips. Now we're going to work this part of your chain stitches. So I'm going to turn my work a bit. At the same time, I'm going to want to hide this tail while I'm working. In the very first chain on the opposite side, you'll make 1 single crochet, followed by 1/2 a double crochet in the next chain. In the chain after that, you'll make another 1/2 a double crochet. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. There, I'm done. Now you're going to make 1 treble in the following stitch. In the next stitch, please work 3 trebles. 3 trebles all in the next chain. The chain after that, 1 treble, please. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chain. Now work a half a double crochet in the next 2 chain. In your very last chain, please work 1 single crochet. To finish this, you're going to slip stitch into the very first single crochet that you made. Your lips. A beautiful pair of pink lips. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of those things. But most importantly, enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out.